A great way to visualize the relationship between input variables, such as tasks and risks, and an output variable, such as the total project cost, is through a scatter plot. This type of chart helps us understand how different variables affect the final project outcome. Our starting point is the output variable. We start with the most economically important output variable, total cost of the project. This is located in cell B8 of the outputs sheet. From there, we can click the correlation tornado button to see all variables ranked by their correlation coefficient with respect to total cost. For example, a task with high correlation. In this example, the development task has the highest correlation coefficient. By selecting this variable out of maps and clicking on the Scatterplot button, we see a cloud of points with a blue line that has a positive slope with respect to total cost. This indicates that when the cost of this task is low, the total project cost also tends to be low, and vice versa. The correlation coefficient in this case is 0.54, showing a moderately strong relationship between the two variables. Another example with a task with a low correlation. Now, out of the maps sheet, we select a task with a very low correlation coefficient, such as the design task. We then click on the Scatterplot button and select total cost out of the outputs section. When plotted against total cost, the blue line is nearly flat. This means that regardless of whether the task cost is high or low, it does not significantly impact the total project cost. Now, a common mistake is to believe that correlation coefficients can be added up to get a total or percentage distribution. This is not correct. Each correlation must be interpreted individually. They do not represent proportions and cannot be summed to 100%. Therefore, scatter plots clearly show which variables truly impact project outcomes. Along with the correlation tornado, they are key tools to prioritize risks and tasks based on real data and not on assumptions.